Hi homie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you how to crochet this beautiful Irish crochet lace flower. So let's see together. Start the slip knot, then chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chains. Insert your hook into first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 19 single crochets in this circle. Keep going. I crocheted 19 single crochets, then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a double triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 chain 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yarn over 3 times, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third stitch, then make a double triple crochet and stop. Don't crochet your last 2 loops. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the same stitch, then make a double triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 10, and repeat again. Yarn over 3 times, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third stitch, then make a double triple crochet. Don't crochet last 2 loops. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the same stitch, then make a double triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 10, and repeat. I crocheted my 6 petals. At the end, make a slip stitch, chain 1, make 15 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now first crochet your left side, then make your right side of your space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 single crochets. Now crochet your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make 15 single crochets in next space and keep going. Crochet 6 petals, then meet me. I crochet 6 petals, then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. At the end, make a slip stitch in first single crochet of my work. Chain 1, let the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your taking the time. I hope this video was helpful for you. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Catch you later. Bye.